Hi, it's starting out with Whales and Recipes, and today I'm going to cook up a frozen turkey burger in the NuWave Brio 14Q air fryer oven. So we can see how quickly it knocks out a frozen turkey burger. We're going to get started with that right now. Alright, so pretty simple ingredients for this cook. I've got my frozen turkey burger, some extra virgin olive oil, a little applewood smoked sea salt, and some black pepper that I'll be freshly grinding on. So just going to coat both sides with the oil and spices. You can fit about 3 of these on one mesh rack, so you can do the same process for about up to 3. Alright, now that I've got my turkey burger covered with oil and spices, I'm going to open up the NuWave Brio 14Q. I've got a mesh rack on the second level up, the second rack holder up. So it's not the highest one, it's the one basically, the rack holder that's the middle of the 3. I put my turkey burger on there, and then close the NuWave Brio up, and I'm going to turn it on. Go up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 20 minutes, and going to hit start. We'll let this cook, and I'll bring you back. Alright, it's been cooking 10 minutes. I'm going to pause, and I'm going to give it a flip so I get some good char on both sides of my turkey burger. I'll open up here, and I could have just opened and it would have auto paused for me, but you see how it looks after the first 10 minutes of the cook. I want to get some good char on that back side. So I'm going to close it up, and it just starts, you know, from the position where I paused and gets going again. I'll bring you back. Alright, we're coming down into the final seconds of this cook, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So I'm going to give it a instant read temperature check as soon as this is done. And so it's over. Open it up. Then get that burger slid out a bit. You can see it's really well cooked there. I can tell you I've done 15 minutes before after a preheat. That also gets it done. It's very hot. Probably was done in less than 20, but since doing a preheat and cooking it to 400 for 15 minutes got it just done. I didn't feel that just 15 minutes with no preheat was going to get the job done. I'm just letting that cheese melt on there just a little bit. But this you can do somewhere between 15-20 if you're going from a cold start. Probably a little more than 15 I'd recommend. Since if you're doing a preheat, it's going to take 15 from my experiences. So maybe it needs like 17 to 20 minutes or so if you want to just get it just done. This one we got extra crispy a little bit, and that's all good. Going to see about the cheese and such in there now. See if it's got a little melt on it. It's coming down a little bit, melting down a little. So that's cool. Close that up. And what I have a little secret ingredient over here. I've got some bacon I'm going to put on my turkey burger. So I'm going to just put my slices of bacon right there like that. Also have myself, this is some G-Hughes sugar-free honey mustard that I'm going to put on top of my turkey burger. So nothing in this video was paid. Nobody paid me anything or gave me anything to recommend anything, just stuff I like. And I'm on the end of my homemade bread here. So that's my end cut of my homemade bread. And so let's give you a look. Gonna swap the camera around and do a taste test. Alright, here's our turkey burger. Let's give it a taste. Alright, so our turkey burger turned out good. The extra virgin olive oil helps give a little extra moisture to keep things from getting too dry. The NuWave Brio 14Q air fryer oven, it does a good job. I mean, it's an air frying oven. I mean, it does good. Definitely want to hear your comments about it. And you can find this, other recipes and heating instructions at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can always get to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com. Twitter and Instagram are also Wave Oven Recipes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and good eating.